So very often it's not the physics knowledge that's the problem, it's the ability to read the question carefully and understand what the question's asking, and really fully understand what the examiner is likely to be looking for from that question. So this is where you can learn through practice, you can learn how to apply your physics knowledge in questions. And that's where, by doing sustained practice over a period of time, you can really improve your exam question capability. And therefore you can improve your grade in physics through sustained practice. This can be very difficult to do at home independently, where you might try a question and you might not be totally sure if what you've written is correct. So you check the mark scheme, and then the mark scheme seems like it needs some interpretation as well. The mark schemes aren't written for students, they're written for experienced markers. And so therefore the support of a tutor through that process can be invaluable. So in my group classes, we practice questions on a specific topic, and you get to try those questions. You then get feedback on those questions from me. So an experienced A-level physics teacher and tutor, so someone who understands the requirements of the exam and knows the specifications inside out. I can then guide you in terms of how you could improve your answer in order to get full marks on that particular question. The aim then is that when a similar question comes up, or one that requires similar knowledge and similar approaches, you will have seen a question like that before. So the aim is to get you to the point where you've done sufficient practice so that when you see a question, you can start to recognise it in terms of what's required and in terms of the knowledge that you need to use to answer that question. So if my group classes might be of interest, in year 12, I have a group class running on Thursday at 7 p.m. And I have a new class starting in February, which will be on a Wednesday at 5 p.m. And that class is a brand new class, and it's going to be starting with mechanics and working through all of the core topics before the end of the summer term. So